It's feeding time. Feeding time. Feeding time. Love watching my birds eat. A little black one. What's wrong with that black one? He ain't hungry? Guess I'm gonna have to hand feed him. There's one black one on top. He's not really fucking with the food, so I'm probably gonna have to hand feed him. You heard?
The one on the head.
Yeah, the one on the end. Damn, you let them damn chickens out?
Yeah.
You fucking hooligans. Alright, bring the water. They're gonna be looking for that water real soon. You have the syringe?
Yep.
So I'm gonna feed that black one up there because he ain't really eating. I like to sit here and watch them and observe every single one of them, make sure everybody's eating and drinking properly. Yeah, that one black one on top of the feet over there, he's not really showing any interest of eating. Yeah. I'm going right for that water. Right for the water.
He's eating now.
Oh, okay. Alright, that's good. That's good. I guess he needs to...
The
He
yellow
needed to
cat
build up
is
his
eating
momentum.
too, no?
Yeah. Well, yeah, he wasn't there.